Questions and answers. We have answers. I know you have questions. Please feel free to ask those questions. Email, text. We have an online messaging system. We have an online InterNACHI inspector community. It's a community. You're part of a family now. So you're part of the family. You can ask questions. There's no such thing as a dumb question. Now, if you go on a forum and someone it's late at night and there's a lot of harassing going on or something like that, a little joking and bumping elbows. Okay, have a thick skin. Somebody might be teasing you or giving you a hard time for asking a question about, a TPR valve or something. That's okay. Not everybody is friendly in the community, but we all are a part of it. We all play a role in this community, and you are very special. So be a part of the community and ask questions. We also have these other resources here. Now, next is homework. Homework?